YouTube world, if you're watching, we got a battery cut out. So they are close, the exact and the empirical. In 243, very often we'll have this discussion of, can we model a real world occurrence with an equation? And this is the kind of thing actuaries have to do all the time. When they're setting insurance rates, you're an actuary for an insurance company, and you have to say, okay, how much am I going to charge a 45-year-old non-smoking female, Caucasian American, for a 1-year policy at blah? Right? How much am I going to charge that person? What you have to do is you have to assume, what's the chance that person's either going to, whatever you say, dies, life insurance. What's the chance that person's going to die? What's the chance they're going to become disabled and be able to take a part of this policy? All these conditions, what's the chance? What's the chance? So it's a real person, yes? It's a real person. So how do they approximate those chances? They flip coins, just like you did. Except the coins flipped are going into the research and looking at death rates and for various causes. So flipping coins is a loose term for collecting data. So the data we collected, the model we got with the data collection, matches the theoretical model pretty damn good. I mean, look how far apart those are. You got to remember how tight this window is, right? This window is zoomed way, it's like under a microscope. Pretty fun, huh? Pretty fun. Maybe not so much. Long weekend, it's okay. But that's the idea. If you can use this model and justify it, you don't have to go through the realm of the Teddy Go.
How did you get the window to do?
Oh, I did a Z-box like we did on Wednesday. Remember we kept Z-boxing on Wednesday? We kept zooming in and zooming in and zooming in. I just picked a random part of the curve and zoomed in on it. And actually, I made it look a little bit worse. I didn't realize I had done this. If I go Z previous real quick, hang on one second. There's the old window. I have this one actually set thick, not thin. I didn't realize that until after I zoomed in. There, that's the data model. That's the data model. Here comes the perfect fit model. Bang! Looks even closer now because it's the same same thickness of the line. Pretty damn cool, huh? Pretty damn cool. Pretty slim. Fair? Okay. Any questions you guys have right now? Including, well, that's what I was going to say, including that's a lot to take in.
I would hit like Zoom 9.
Yeah, Zoom 9 for starters, for sure. Good, Tammy, very good, very good. Now, I've ignored the deck of cards, folks, long enough. Let's get you guys involved, too. Although I do want to edit your data a little bit. I want to edit it didn't matter for you guys, and I want to have you guys and all of us answer the question as to why it didn't matter momentarily. Let's look at the original data again.